Hi friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. If you're used to store-bought pesto, try this homemade version of pesto and this will change your life. Homemade version is so much more vibrant and fresh, and also you can control the spiciness, consistency and oil. In this vegan pesto recipe, I use walnuts instead of the more traditional pine nuts. For this version of the pesto recipe, we need 2 cups of basil, 1 cup of spinach or palak, 1/4 cup olive oil, half cup walnut, 3 to 4 green chillies, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup chopped onion. Add all the ingredients to a food processor or mixer and grind it coarsely. Do not add any water. You can add cheese as well to the mix. I usually don't add cheese to the pesto. Having a bottle of pesto in your refrigerator is very helpful. You can mix pesto and yogurt and use it as a dip for vegetables. You can substitute mayo, creamy pasta sauces, ranch dressing with this homemade pesto sauce. This pesto is high in vitamin C, iron, calcium, vitamin A, and loaded with antioxidants. Pesto pasta is my family's favorite. If you wish, you can add cheese to the sauce or to the pasta. Traditional pesto is made with garlic, pine nuts, salt, basil leaves, cheese, and extra virgin olive oil. The word pesto in Italian is derived from a word meaning to pound or crush. Though basil is the traditional herb used, you can make pesto with all kinds of different combinations, herbs and greens. You can also combine herbs, greens to create your own flavor combinations. You can spread this pesto on your sandwich. Use vegan cheese. This sandwich is yummy with pesto sauce. I used sourdough bread, red pepper sauce, vegan cheese, cherry tomatoes in this sandwich. You can use walnuts, almonds, pistachios or cashews for different styles of pestos. You can also leave the nuts out entirely if you have a nut allergy. This pesto tastes good on almost anything and has so many different uses. Substitute the pizza sauce with pesto sauce. It is yummy. In this version of the pesto, I'm substituting basil with the homegrown lemon balm and oregano. It was so yummy and has a different flavor. And will stay longer in the freezer. Freeze it in ice cube trays, then store it in Ziploc bags. Cilantro almond pesto is also very delicious. Try that if basil or walnuts are not available. Thank you for watching. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha'skitchen. Thank you.